Hey folks, how you doing? It's Richard from the Bikepacking channel. Welcome to the channel. Yes, I have missed a day of Vlogmas. Just as you can see, different surroundings. I've moved back to the family home for the next couple of months, away from the caravan. Closes for a couple of months of the year, so I have to return home. So here I am, and it's caused a bit of an upheaval. Getting everything here. Bit of a rush around, got here about 8:30 yesterday evening, and yeah, I'm still working away as well. Tomorrow is my final day before I break up for Christmas, but I thought I'd try and get back on it as soon as possible and get another video out to you, and just to kind of update you on what's going on with my Christmas plans this year. There's still more to tell you in the next video because I've not firmed everything up yet, but time recording, today is 21st of December, which is, I think actually this particular year, tomorrow is the shortest day. So excellent, the summer solstice, the winter solstice, and yeah, we're looking forward to longer days and things like that. Hallelujah. Anyway, I was meant to be riding with Chris Scalehorn and Francis Kelly tomorrow. However, I thought I was finishing work today, and I wasn't working Thursday, Friday. Got that wrong. 2, it is blowing a gale outside, so it would have got cancelled anyway. Apart from that though, I need to get a 200 planned for Saturday probably. I'm going to try and work on that this evening, get a route through the wolds and try and avoid the wind as much as possible, because it's supposed to be blow for the next few days. Still got to get out there, try and get some distance in, because the Rafa 500 starts pretty pronto, and with that in mind I will be trying to get plenty of training here in the Lincolnshire Wolds. But I've got an event, a Sportif, actually booked in for the 29th. Believe it or not, I've got my name in the hat for I got my name, I paid the money for Sportif, which starts in Brig on the 29th. Is that Thursday, I think? I'm not sure. Anyway, it's the Festive 50 miles from starting in Brig, and you go up to Rothwell in the usual manner, as in not a straight line, and then you get back to Brig again. So looking forward to that. If the weather's good, I may cycle from here on the east coast in Cleethorpes to Brig, do that ride and come back again. It really depends on the day itself. It's not that far, what is it, 30 miles maybe each way, so that's could be getting close to 200 kilometres. Need to sort that out in the next few days. I realise a bit of an echo in this room actually, so I'm going to have to do something about that. I'm not sure at this point. Hopefully it's not distracting the video too much. Yeah, it's been quite hectic the last few days. I've still got my Christmas presents to wrap. I'll probably be doing that tomorrow night. Gonna chill out this evening, and because I've been living in a caravan for about 3 months straight now, there's no bath in a caravan. It's always showers, so I'm looking forward to a bath this evening. Oh yeah, lay down in hot water, put my feet up, yeah, get bubbles in there and just relax, put my feet up on the forceps. That's the only way you can get those into a sentence. The forceps. Is it forceps or forceps? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, that's my plan for this evening. Christmas wise, it's the Rafa 500 like I've already said, so I need to try and get 500 kilometres in. I think that starts Sunday, which is Christmas Eve, and runs up to and including the 1st of January. So I think it's 8 days, is that right? So yeah, looking forward to that. Hopefully the wind's going to calm down and it's not going to get freezing cold a bit to get out there and enjoy the Rafa Festive 500. Now I'm just going to wrap it up by saying now I'm back at the house for the next couple of months. I'm going to be doing a lot of training in the Lincolnshire Wolds whenever I can on a weekend, because that the Gran Huaranchi is coming up at the end of March. It's not that far away really, to be honest. I've got like 3 months of training to get myself ready, so and here in Cleethorpes I can be at the foot of the Wolds in less than 35 minutes, something like that. I'm having a guess. So yeah, it's more or less at my doorstep really. I'm going to take full advantage and get myself out there as much as possible. Right, I shall see you in tomorrow's vlog. Let me know your plans for the Refa 500, and if you're attending the Festive 50 in Brig, let me know down in the comments below, and I shall see you on there. Come over and say hello. Right, see you again. Take care. Bye bye.